Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker here with PressureWashingSchool.com and DougRuckerStore.com, located right here in Houston. We are your Houston, Texas pressure washing and soft washing supply store. And if we can ever help you, just let us know. We also ship all over the United States. So if you are in the area and you happen to be nearby, stop in, say hello. We'd love to meet you. If you have any questions about our products, you can reach us at info@DougRuckerStore.com, or you can call or text 281-612-1223. Hey guys, I got a quick little video I wanted to do to talk about pricing and help some of you new guys out that are kind of struggling with how to price and what to say when price comes up and that type of thing. So I got that coming up next. Hey, if you're new to pressure washing, I want to try to save you about 5 years of trial and error right now. Most beginners don't lose jobs because they can't clean concrete. They lose jobs at the estimate, and it's not when they pull up, and it's not when they measure the driveway. They lose it right when they open their mouth to say the price. And you've probably done this. I know I have. You quote the house wash, you add the driveway, maybe throw in the roof, then you say the number, and suddenly your voice gets softer than a used car salesman on a Sunday. Now you're explaining, now you're justifying, now you're talking like you're asking for permission. Well, I want you to stop that. Let's get this fixed in 26. Here's the rule. When it's time to give your number, say it clearly and then zip it. Say it like this. That's going to be $875. And then you stop, not another word. No weather report, no life story, no TED talk about chemicals, just quiet. That silence feels awkward the first few times. I get it. You're standing in somebody's driveway. Birds are chirping, your truck's ticking as it cools off, and you're thinking, man, somebody better talk. But here's the truth. That quiet moment, that's confidence. And the contractor who can sit in it usually gets the job. Hey, if you're serious about starting a pressure washing business the right way, hit subscribe, because I teach pricing, confidence, and real world business, not some get rich quick with a garden hose type advice.
All right, y'all, if you're tired of waiting to get paid, switch to Project 2 Payment. I've been working with them on better estimating and payment tools, and it's saving me a ton of time. Use my link for 3 months free, project2payment.com/Doug Rucker.
All right, here's why a lot of people struggle with this. Most new pressure washing owners don't lack confidence. They lack math. They're guessing. They look at the house and they think about what the other guy might charge. So they toss out a number and they pray. Well, that's not pricing, that's gambling. Real pricing starts with your time. How long is the house wash? How long is it going to take to do the driveway? Add in your setup time, add in your breakdown time. Then add your cost. Chemicals, fuel, the time it takes for property protection, wear on your equipment, because that machine didn't come free. I don't care what anybody told you or Facebook Marketplace told you. Then, this matters most. You add profit, not whatever feels nice, actual profit. Once you do that, your price stops being emotional. Now it's math. And when it's math, you don't wobble, you don't rush, you don't start discounting because somebody crossed their arms. You give the number because you earned it. All right, so sooner or later, someone's going to say, that's more than I expected, or that price is high. So here's what I don't want you to do. Don't panic. Don't start explaining your childhood, and don't immediately chop your price. Instead, I just want you to ask it back. That's more than you expected, or the price is high. Then stop. Let them talk. Most of the time, they're just thinking. If budget really is the issue, you don't have to lower your price. Just adjust the scope. Maybe it's a house wash only. Maybe the driveway waits. Same quality, smaller job. See, price resistance isn't rejection. It's just a conversation. And the guys who stay calm in that moment are the ones who stay profitable. Let me wrap this up. Most pressure washing startups don't fail because they bought the wrong machine. They fail because nobody told them how to handle pricing. So they rush, they soften, and then they undercharge. And it's not because they're lazy, it's because they're new. So here's what I want you to remember. Say your price and stop talking. Build your numbers instead of guessing. And stay calm when someone hesitates. If you can do those three things, you'll already be ahead of most beginners. Hey, save this video, share it with a friend who just bought a pressure washer and now thinks he's a contractor. And subscribe if you want real world guidance on building a pressure washing business that actually makes money. Confidence isn't talent, it's trained. Hey, quick reminder, our next hands-on training here in Houston and also Valdosta, Georgia is coming up March 14th. So go to pressurewashingschool.com and you can get registered. You can read all about what we do at our training. It's a one full day training on Saturday. We usually start about 8:30 and anywhere between 3 and 4 o'clock. And so we have that as well as the online video school. And then I also just started a training on Skool, S-K-O-O-L, on another online opportunity. It's got a nice little small monthly price with some community things built into it. So if you want to check that out, we'll put the link down below and also up here on the screen. So tons of opportunities for training, and we'd be glad to help you get your business started off on the right foot. Hey guys, I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to check in all the time. I always try to answer every question that's asked. And again, if you have any questions on our store products, then that's info@dougruckerstore.com, or you can call or text us 281-612-1223. If you have any questions about our school trainings, then that's learn@pressurewashingschool.com, or call or text 281-883-3630.